We want to change the entire theater of the modern battlefield. We aim to completely revolutionize the AR platform from where it is and taking it to the next step. People say that the black gun is dead. It's so far from being dead. It's alive and thriving. The quality control that you'll never see anywhere else. The level of heart and perfection that goes into these weapons that we feel our boys on the front lines and law enforcement deserve the absolute best, and they deserve an unfair advantage, and we want to provide them with that.
Currently we're making the AR-15 platform, making the uppers, lowers. Later on this year we'll be making the barrels, BCGs, quite a few of the other interior components. We're also making suppressors in various calibers and getting into precision bolt guns as well, with custom chassis actions and barrels.
We don't want to compete against the low end. Low end of the market is saturated. If we wanted to be Walmart, we'd die. And most people want to buy premium, but everybody wants the best.
We're not coming into this with an assumption that we know everything. We're learning new things every day. We're going out and talking with industry leaders. We're bringing in prior military, law enforcement, finding out what's really needed in the industry rather than what we think the industry needs, and really working to tailor a custom solution for the end user. We've committed to purchasing state-of-the-art machines, measurement equipment, and our machinists are extremely anal when it comes to making sure everything is just right. If it's not right, it doesn't go out, bottom line. On our horizontal machine, it's a dual pallet with a couple tombstones on there. We're able to have the machine constantly running. While it is machining one tombstone, a machinist is loading up parts in another. As soon as he's got it finished, those two switch and the machine keeps on going uninterrupted. The dual spindle lathe with the live tooling, we've got a bar feeder on it. We want to turn out suppressors or muzzle brakes. It's simple to press a button and literally walk away and watch as just part after part after part is made completely automatically without having to have someone stand there babysitting it all, which allows us to make them cheaper and pass that savings on.
Well, we're a small company. We have a very limited production capacity. We're manufacturing firearms along with other products, and our initial product line that brought us to this point requires tolerances in the thousandths to half thousandths, and our machinists, that's what they expect, and to ask them to not make something as good as they can would do a disservice to us.
Hailey's bringing a lot of knowledge as far as just the machining aspect. Their machining is very, very, very clean. It really shows in the work that they do with their manufactured goods.
We are a Class 10 FFL, one of only 170-something in the nation. Basically what that means is we hold the licenses to literally make anything we want. We don't have the same limitations imposed on us as the majority of manufacturers.
We're looking at two markets. We want to supply law enforcement, give them the best, most reliable product that they can shoot. For them, one bullet counts. We're also looking at the high-end sporting enthusiast that just wants the best rifle.
It's very important that we're Oklahoma-based. The Hailey family has been in Oklahoma employing people for quite some time, and that's a big deal for them, and it's a big deal for the community. We really want to keep things at home.
We provide higher levels of quality than you'll see anywhere else in the industry, and it's Oklahoma-owned, Oklahoma-operated. Everything comes from this land, and as an Oklahoman born and bred, I'm proud to say I'm part of it.